What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast, and we're going to discuss what happened in the triple overtime game between the USC Growling Tigers and the Ateneo Blue Eagles. Nandun kami ni Mario sa venue. Palipat-lipat kami ng seats kasi it was really that packed as advertised, no? And for those who got seats, congrats sa inyo. Pero we were there from 4:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. I think the game of the year so far, game of the UAP season. I think the best basketball I've seen uh, throughout this year so far. And ang daming nangyari. Uh, my goodness, UST, 51 minutes kay Colin Sakowe, followed by Nick Cabanero with 43, Padrigal with 31, Jello Crisostomo 35 minutes. Three guys in double doubles for UST. Sa Ateneo, we saw the heroics of J House, 20 rebounds for Escobar. Divine Adili with 10 and 17, the longest he has stayed on the floor with 35 minutes. But let's first start with UST. Ateneo, alam naman natin na ang daming, a lot of players went down. Like Escobar, not Adili, Escobar, Ladi, and Bahay. Especially kay
Yeah.
J House. Marami nagtatanong bakit siya wala. But, with UST, Padrigao was keeping them all throughout that game. Nick Cabanero as well. And then yung mga timely shots nga ni Jello Crisostomo na pinag-uusapan namin dun sa group shot na yung mga offensive rebounds niya. I think he had eight offensive rebounds, the most out of everyone dun sa team. Siya yung nagbibigay he's the backbreaker when it comes to giving Ateneo that loss inside the newly renovated Blue Eagle gym.
Oh yeah. Honestly, UST played a really good game, and it's hard to how do you say this? It's hard to blame any team yesterday for
Oh,
losing.
wala eh. Wala.
Alam mo yun? Yung tipong like if UST won and Ateneo lost, no, since UST won and Ateneo lost,
Oo.
you can't really blame Ateneo for the loss kasi honestly that game could have gone any which way. And then if UST had lost and Ateneo had won, the fans in the venue, the UST fans in the venue, who sa tingin ko talaga
The
UST has
best.
the best crowd in
Napapa-cheer ka rin ba?
in
Napapa-cheer din ako nung
I
ano eh.
mean I can't
Nung they're on a run.
I can't say I did.
Bawal, ay nga pala, bawal nga pala.
Yeah,
Bawal nga pala, baka
I can't say I
matanggal sa
did, but
pwesto niya.
Nothing
yeah.
beats their chant. Nothing beats their chant
Bro, grab yung
in the
UST
in
crowd. Like,
college.
before I go into the players themselves, I truly need to shout out their crowd. Kasi, number one, in how they you know how in other sports we say teams are so well traveled or they travel well. The
Oo.
Hmm.
UST crowd travels so well. Kasi kahit saang venue yun, may it be QPAV, talagang sa QPAV. May it be in
Mm.
QPAV,
Araneta, Moa.
Araneta, MOA, and now in BEG. Malay mo,
Kahit
in,
ata ano, Marie, Paco Arena, kaya lang ano eh, no?
oo, kahit sa
Actually,
Swarm
Paco
eh,
Paco,
no?
Ari.
kahit
Paco, they'll be there,
Philippine
man.
Arena, San Juan Phil Oil Flying Center, mga ganun.
It doesn't matter,
Wala
man. It
palang,
doesn't
wala palang
matter.
flying center.
Bro, alam mo, before we go to ano, Imayin talaga siya. This doesn't even happen sa ano Duke Carolina sa NCAA.
Yeah.
Yung ganun na papasok sila sa bahay ng ibang ng rival nila, no?
Yeah, bro. Kasi
They're
I
they're
think
really
in the
wild. They're
States
really wild.
it's a bit different.
Yeah.
Na I don't think they have yung sides na ano yung sa
Ah,
atin. Yeah, yung sa
bagay.
atin is talagang home court kung home court eh. Pero honestly, dude, a really really good game and UST ang deep nila. They're
Deep
very
nila,
very
yeah.
deep team. Such a deep team talaga. Na
Yeah.
ang hirap mo malaman kung sino yung puputok eh. Nick Cabanero will always be Nick Cabanero. And in all honesty, I truly believe if Nick Cabanero didn't make that fadeaway step to the
3-point shot,
right,
yung nahulog siya.
three-point shot,
Yeah.
in the second overtime, I truly believe Ateneo probably wins that game in the second overtime. But Nick delivered Fortsky Padrigao. People's
Homecoming.
Bro, I'm not gonna mention this whole homecoming thing, man. There are reasons I won't.
Yeah,
Um,
okay.
but dude, Fortsky, as a basketball player, it's really hard not to see how good Fortsky Padigaw is on the basketball court, man. He's a great passer, insane shooter. doesn't really get rattled in the big moments. There's a reason why Coach Tab Baldwin loved
Oh,
slash
love
loved
na love niya yan.
yeah, Coach Tab Baldwin loved slash loves Portsky Padrigao, and there's a reason, dude. In the moments when you genuinely believed Ateneo had the game, up three in the Fortsky hits the three to bring it to overtime. Up three in second overtime, Fortsky hits the three to tie the game again after Kimani goes down. You just can't rattle the kid, and it's kind of obvious that you can't, and he's a really good player.
Tapos yung mga three-pointer niya pa, it's like a step or two steps behind the line, no? Hindi yun
Oo,
talagang
bro.
sakto. And they are really clutch. UST, brother, uh, it's I would have a different opinion, and not but slightly different opinion if this was played sa MOA or sa Araneta. But to go to the Blue Eagles gym, snatch a win against Ateneo, who led by I think as much as 11 in the first half, 'di ba? And then pound for pound, blow by blow, makipag-trade ka ng punches with the Blue Eagles. That speaks a lot. They had they had three guys who scored 20 or more,
Yeah.
right?
Pero, okay, go lang. Continue, continue.
Actually,
No, in
oh yeah.
yeah,
Tama, tatlo.
tatlo, right? Na
Yeah.
yeah, Akowe, Padrigao and Cabanyero.
Yeah.
And then the thing about UST is yung complementary guys nila. They know their role,
Mm.
di ba?
Yeah,
Hindi
bro.
sila yung for
Yung
example,
Crisostomo, men.
Mm.
yeah, right?
I like, di yan hihingi ng bola, pero pag nasa kanya yung bola, kaya niyang gumawa ng
Sa
paraan.
top 10
Yeah.
forwards ko yan in collegiate basketball.
There you go.
No one gives a flying.
That's
Mm.
yeah. Eh. And then who's that?
Top
Si
10.
Paranada. Paranada could easily be 'di ba? Parang have tantrums kasi he's good. He nailed the dagger pero he only had 5 points and he only played 24 minutes and he's fine with that. So, ganun sila kalalim, ganun
Hey, man.
ka.
I'm just saying, though, that was not a dagger. They were already losing by 7 at that point in the overtime.
Yeah, well, I
That
know.
was not a
It's like
dagger.
it's like a Steph Curry 3 na parang to shut the door down, 'di ba? But all I'm
Steph
saying,
Curry
man,
3. Pag
is
Steph Curry, paano yan? It counts.
Oh, no.
yeah.
This
Okay,
guy,
no, we don't want to go there. But
Oy,
man,
mag NBA. Iwap lang.
yeah,
cocks.
yeah, man, the UST, I am just so impressed. I want to ask, has Colin Sakowi reached, Benimbala scary? Because he's dominant.
No.
Has he reached Benimbala scary territory or not yet?
For me, no.
I want this to be known, man. Actually, I was gonna bring it up in the Ateneo part pa later.
Sige,
But
go. Pwede naman. If you
Collins,
want.
if in all honesty, only kind of shut this game down after Divine and the rest of the Blue Eagles kind of got hurt. And
Yeah.
Mm,
that's a problem I'm gonna bring up later in the Ateneo lineup. Now, once Divine Adili goes down at the center position, you're thin, dude. You're thin at that center position. Because Kimani is a tall guy, lanky guy, pero di naman
he's thin.
yeah, he's not a heavy dude, man. And I'll talk about that later. But yes, Collins Akuno naman. I don't think he's at the Ben Imbala levels. I don't think he's at the Ange Kwame levels either. I don't like the fact that many people say Ben Imbala as the primary FSA thingy when Ange Kwame had significantly more success, I would say, than Ben.
Bro, but
But
Ambala was more scary.
I mean, I could
Iba
go
yung
either
impact
way.
ni Ben Mbale. Yeah,
He
iba yung impact ni
intimidates
Ben
you, man.
Mbala. Pero Starsy ako, we're not
Really though, I would say that they had the same level of like, oh dang, dude. If this guy's on the court, I'm kind of worried. I think they both have that same. I think both
Akowe
Ben
and
and
Mbala
Ange.
for you.
No, no, no.
Ben and
Ben
No,
Ange.
and
no.
Ange. I think
Ah,
they
yeah,
both
yeah,
have
yeah,
that
yeah, yeah,
same
yeah.
aura
Yeah, yeah.
around
Mas
them na.
explosive lang kasi laro ni
Yeah,
Ben
mas
and Mbala.
explosive and mas
Iba.
I think mas kaya niyang mag-dominate as
Mm.
compared to Ange. Pero in terms of like when we talk FSAs, I believe that they're one A, one B, Ben and Bala,
Mm.
Ange.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Although that's not really like the topic at hand, but I would say.
No,
Uh,
we just went there because of Akowe.
yeah.
Akowe.
Collins is a really good basketball player, man. He just needs to work on his free throws.
Yeah.
He
Yeah,
really
parang
just needs
shock,
to
diba?
work.
So, parang konti na lang to nitpick kay
Yeah.
Akowe.
What did shoot?
Literally, he's Shaq though. No? Is he not Shaq? Like, he's
He is
literally
Shaq.
Shaq.
Yeah,
Yung,
Shaq-like.
yung kailangan mo
Yeah.
ng dalawang tao para bantayan siya. Tapos, and in all honesty to him, when the game needed it the most, makes his free throws. That's what Shaq
Yeah,
says, di
yun
ba?
nga eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shaq always said that na um
I make them when ano yun?
I'll
I
make
make
him when
them
they
when
count.
they count.
He makes them when
I
they
make
count.
them when they count.
I make him when it counts. Yeah.
And dude, that's what Collins Akowe did. They could have lost this game in that second overtime if Collins didn't make one out of two free throws, man. But at the same time, they
Mhm.
could have won this game in regular time if he could just make a free throw to save his life. It's a two-edged sword naman.
Yeah,
Pero
if Tuano makes one of his free throws in one of the overtimes, they won too.
bro, if Dom Escobar makes one of his free throws in that
Yeah,
second
Five
overtime.
for nine
you
siya,
know,
no? It was 5 for 9.
Yeah, but dude, I cannot blame Ateneo at all for losing. But again, I'll talk about that later. Uh, Going back to Jello Crisostomo, I like him, dude. I love it. I love
yeah.
it for him. Kasi it just makes UST that much harder to play against. Kasi bawal mo iwanan yung Asido, bawal mo iwanan yung Crisostomo,
Mhm.
bawal mo iwanan yung Lemit. Like they're just everywhere, man. And it's tough to beat a team like that. They are number one in the standings, if I'm correct. Tama ba? Yun yung
Updated. I
Tied with
haven't seen the
NU.
updated
Tied
yet.
with
I haven't
NU, I
seen the
think.
NU has
four
They
and
have one
one.
lost to
loss.
two.
One loss pa lang NU.
I'm
Yeah.
not sure if okay, I'm not sure who's number one between UST and NU then. Basta, yeah. But yeah, dude, this is again, like we always say, this is the absolute funnest? Wow, guy done. Um,
Funnest.
Yeah.
the absolutely
Uh,
most exciting season in a while talaga.
I agree with that. We can. I don't know if Mario wants to include NU in the mix, but there are minimum four teams. I mean, there's always minimum four teams that can win the title. That's why it's called the Final Four. But legit, like if you get the one seed and you see the four seed, either UPUST, Ateneo, or Lasal, you're not gonna go
It's
in
a
that game
gauntlet.
saying, dali lang
Like
to. No.
genuinely, dudes, right now, who wins the championship?
Wala, mahirap talaga. Hard to say. Hard to say.
Diba?
Because
Ano,
For
all of the
me,
top four teams have beat each other once na, except yung di pa natin alam mangyayari sa
yeah,
Ateneo NU,
UPUST
di ba?
and UPST.
UP's
Ay,
beat.
sorry, UP Lasal, which is coming next week.
UP Lasal pa, which is
Yeah, we're gonna have
next
that.
week? Yeah,
I
next
think
week na
next
yun.
week. Yeah. Right now, if you again, what have I added in this pod? Consistency and objectivity. I think right now Ateneo has
This
the
guy gassing
best
up his own
chance,
name. What the
the
heck?
best chance to win the title at
You still think it's
this
Ateneo right
very
now?
moment.
Ateneo ka
Yeah,
pa rin, Graham.
yeah, because I believe, and we can probably transition to Ateneo after this. I believe if Bahay did not go down, if for a moment Ladi did not go down, if Divine stayed in the game, they could have won the game yesterday. I know it's tough to play parang what if, but those are legit arguments. Di naman yung nawala sa Ateneo si ano lang, let's say si Bongo lang, di ba? So I'm not, or parang nung sa Inebra, Troy Rosario, it's not like that. It's different. These are the main guys that went down for Ateneo. So I still right now think it's Ateneo, but power rankings, man, UST, so scary. So scary.
Oh, since we've transitioned into Ateneo, man,
Yeah.
I need this to be very. I want to make this clear.
Oh, wait lang.
Ateneo.
One
Go.
more for on the UST.
Oh, okay.
22 of 40 from the free throw line. 40 free throw attempts to Ateneo's 21. Now, I'm not saying there are any spotty officiating. Kayo na bahala doon. Coach Tab said that there's a third team that played horribly. You guess who the third team was who was playing on that court. But credits rin
Ateneo
naman to
women's.
UST.
Hey,
Hey man,
don't
we love our women's team here. I love my
don't
women's
do that.
basketball.
Don't do that. Don't
But
do that.
yeah, I
Saying,
mean
man.
UST knew that but yeah, UST knew that you gotta take advantage of going to the line. And that really helped them till the end. All of those small things will just add up na, especially pag umaabot na kasi triple overtime. Yeah, we can
Yeah.
now move on to the Ateneo side. Mario, be my guest. How would you assess Ateneo? What would you have to say with how we performed as a whole?
Here's my thing, and I've been thinking about this since yesterday. Yesterday, okay, just for the context of everybody, we thought about recording yesterday, but we're just not. We just have like
Dahil
we're
ginawa na nga
all
natin
running
student,
on. Alam mo
working
yung
student.
so ganito yung ano, 'di ba? Ganito yung tank, yung gas tank, 'di ba? Tapos yung gas tank may lever yun. Ito yung full, ito yung empty. Right now all of us are kind of running on like here at like the very very edge of empty. And uh
That's right.
Honestly, but the point I want to make is that I don't think Ateneo can win a championship unless Divine Adili learns how to defend without fouling. That's what I
Mm.
truly, for me, that's the true key to Ateneo winning the championship is Divine Adili learning how to defend without fouling. It could be because of bad officiating, it could be because of whatever. I do not really give a flying whatever.
Eagle.
But yeah, a flying eagle. I really don't care. He has to learn how to defend without fouling talaga. Because if we're being very honest, I told you guys this at the start, was not really dominating the game when Divine was on the court, if you ask me.
You're
I
actually
don't
right.
think he was dominating it as much as people think he was when Divine was on the court.
Yeah.
When Divine went off, when he was being defended by Josh Lazaro and Kaimani Ladi,
Laddie.
that's when or whoever, that's when Collins can start dominating because Collins is a big dude who 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 will just literally bludgeon you into the paint. And that's not a fault of Lazaro, that's not a fault of Laddie either. But it's just that's just how his body is built. And the only player who is built to deal with these level of FSAs is Divine Adili for Ateneo. So if he cannot figure out a way to defend without fouling, it becomes an extra difficult job for Ateneo to win games. I'm not blaming him for
Mm.
fouling out. Honestly, in a triple overtime game,
I'm
somebody
surprised he
should.
lasted this long.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
surprised he lasted 35 minutes, dude, if I'm being very honest. Kasi he was fouling out against Precious Momoe or something, man.
Mm.
Like
I
he
last 35 minutes.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Okay.
taking a dump, dude. The hell. I wanted to say something else, but
But we're ano
but
here.
we're a guided channel. And,
We need
but
sponsors.
yeah, but yeah, yun talaga yun. I truly believe Divine has to figure out how to defend without fouling for them to really get into. I'm sure they'll be in the final four picture. It's
They will.
Yeah, yeah.
very
Mm.
unlikely that they won't make it to the final four. And and additional to that, it's very unlikely for me that they don't make it to the finals. But again, it's really whether they win the championship or not, I think really lies on Divine Adili's ability to defend without fouling. Um, moving on to that, dude. The the happiest person I am for the person I am happiest for, sorry. The person I am happiest for is Jared Bahay, man. Uh Last year he actually had a lot of scrutiny, 'di ba? Medyo maraming scrutiny against J House last year. They say he was
Oh,
too
siya yung top
small.
recruit eh.
Yeah, they say he was too small for the game. People had Porter over him as the future star of Ateneo. And in this season so far, I think he's shown that he is that guy, man. He is that type of player. Na, against FEU down six, he made the shots. Against UST in a game they probably shouldn't have been closing in the second quarter, he was making the shots again. He is really stepping into that role as team captain and future star of Ateneo. So um major props to him. You guys can talk about the one and dones.
Bro, the
Yeah.
shots that Bahay made in the second overtime to push it to third OT, those are ridiculous shots, 'di ba? Yung isa sa corner
Parang
and
inaano
then,
na lang eh, no?
'di ba? I mean,
He had to adjust
Naveen,
mid-air.
yeah, Naveen I think was one of the I think I saw it from Naveen. They found their LA Tenorio who when it matters, he'll make the shots, 'di ba? You
Yeah.
you can you can pray. I mean, I can praise Ladi all I want, but when game is on the line, I want the ball in Bahay's hands
Yeah.
because
Ako rin
he
naman.
has,
Agree tayo
di ba?
dun.
Game is
He
on the
has
ball in Baha's
no
hands.
game. Yeah, game is on the line, di ba? Ladi's their best player, but Bahay, bro, he's just so clutch, and I really can't believe. I was eating dinner nung pinapanood ko yung game na yun, and I almost choked dun sa mga tira ni Bahay. It was
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
were really
Yeah,
tough
you and
shots,
choking,
and
Graham.
yeah,
That's why
lasting
he lasts
35
35
minutes. Eh.
minutes. That's why he lasts 35 minutes.
Titan
That's why he
Ultra, man,
lost.
sponsor. Titan Ultra.
Titan Ultra, hello.
This guy lang.
Yeah. Unlike Calvin, Graham won't pull a hamstring.
Although I have a
Oh, yun,
concern
no.
with Bahay, no, he left the Blue
Yeah,
Eagle Gym with
nakasling.
a sling
He's
on
fine.
his
He's fine.
left.
He's
Yeah, but
fine.
yun lang. He just left with a sling on his left arm, left shoulder. And sana sprain lang. Sana precaution lang. Pero
He's
ganun
fine,
talaga
bro.
dahil
Yeah.
I don't
Bro,
know.
parang
Walang
si
may,
ano
No,
lang
siya yung
yun.
I think he
nagsabi.
needs to get an MRI.
No, he said himself na he's fine.
I don't know.
Bro, parang si
Based
ano
lang
lang
naman sa
yun.
ano yun. Oh, that's good. At least kung siya mismo nagsabi na he's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
Yeah,
He said he's
he's fine.
fine.
Alam niyo yung si Lebron, yung pag nasi-sweep, yung nagkakaroon ng hand brace bigla, tapos may injury.
Ah,
Ganun
ganun
lang
ba
yun.
yun? Yung may lalabas na news report the next day.
Oo, parang, injured
He
pala
was
si ano.
playing through this kind of ano.
No, but Baha's not that kind of guy. I mean, when I say that kind of guy, I mean flopper and maarte. Um,
Aren't you
so
LeBron?
I am,
We're
bro.
objective, man.
What have I added in this pod? Objectivity and
And false
consistency.
prophecy.
So, man, you have that's a game na for me should not have ended. I know a tie is corny, but you know, it's something that I didn't want to see. And Mario said this sa group chat. Ateneo has to, especially Laddie, has the tendency of relying on outside shots when it matters most. When things are tight, hindi siya sumusugod sa basket, di ba?
Yeah,
He tends to pull up, and those jumpers have a low chance of going in when the game is tight.
yeah. Honestly, again, I'm not faulting Kaimani. That's what his game is, man. Kevin Durant
Mm.
doesn't drive the ball. He takes a mid-range jumper. Neither is Kaimani Lati.
That makes sense.
Pero that's one of the things nga Ateneo was able to dominate in their first four games. Kasi admittedly or not, the scouting on Kaimani, Dom, Jaden, and an improved Chantuano was not really that known yet. But now
Mm.
that medyo alam na ng mga teams how these guys play, you see it now. UP prepared for Ateneo very, very well. They inasawa nila si Ladi, ginawa nilang jowa si Escobar. Right? To
A
the
lot of
sadness of
people,
yeah.
a lot
There
of
are so many
people
people who
want
would
to do
want
that.
that, by the way. Yeah. But he's taken, by the way. But and then we see it also in the game against UST na Kaimani was able to get some good shot attempts. Dom was able to get some good shot attempts, but
Mm.
it's much more difficult as compared to before. They'll still make it. They'll still make some tough shots. Kaimani was still making some tough shots. Dom was still making some tough shots. Jaden was still making some tough shots. Pero medyo um now that we've seen how they play, it's low key a different story na talaga. Uh but I wouldn't be surprised if they're able to figure out some counters, dude. We've seen the talent that the three have in its entirety. So I'm not surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if they're able to figure it out no matter how to get away from all this this defense. Uh but yeah, Graham makes a very good point. Actually, I made that point, which Graham
Yeah,
repeated.
you made that point.
My bad, sorry.
That was a good wingman, you know.
You threw the alley. I just dunked it. My bad.
Si D-Wade ka pala, Grim eh.
Uh, uh,
Yeah, right.
I think it makes a lot of sense talaga na they'll need to adjust a bit now, especially now that they're talagang being scouted na.
Yeah, I just want to add also
Yeah.
yung kay Manny Ladi, he had no legs nung mga
Yeah, dude.
last two OTs na.
Yeah.
Medyo bad.
Let's talk about that. Let's
Yeah,
talk about scheduling, guys. Let's talk about scheduling.
grabe yung
Three
schedule ng
games in
Ateneo.
6 days. 3 games in 6 days is not. I'm not making this an excuse. I'm not making this an excuse. They lost because they lost. That's how life works. They lost because they lost. But um, that was a really tightly contested game. And to go triple overtime in your third game in 6 days is asking a lot from your players. And especially because Coach Tab for some reason has no faith in Kyle Gamber, which I don't understand. Kyle Gamber was meant to be. Nico and I talked about this off air.
May share
Kyle
ako na
Gamber
Calgamber story after you, Mario. Go.
Go on. He is meant to be the 3 and D guy of Ateneo for me. He is one of the best shooters in UAAP basketball and he's just riding the bench right now. I think Kyle deserves a look right now. At least just a look. Sige, don't I assume that he's Coach Tab is gonna stick with his rotation of 8 or 9 people. But Kyle Gamber deserves to be somewhere there because he can make threes in pretty big moments and he can defend fairly well naman eh. I know that he isn't the best at penetrating or creating his own shot. But what you do, you don't really need that if you're Ateneo, if you ask me. You have people who can penetrate quite easily. And outside of I know Kaimani is a shooter. I know Jaden is a shooter. I know Jared is a shooter once in a while. But in terms of consistency, the, Kyle Gamber
Gamber,
averaged
yeah.
43% from three in Asia Basket. Why is there what's the difference in that one?
I think it's just mostly Coach Tab with kasi wala pa yung ano nun eh. Escobar was not there yet. Jaden Lazo was not there yet. So I think that really played a part in the minutes of Kyle Gamber. And actually, I was seated beside the Ateneo bench. So magka-eye level kami ni Gamber. So nagkatingin lang kami and he was like, dude, he was pointing na they need a three. Should have been me. Should have been me. Pero he was playful. The way he was saying it to me across the ano. Kasi ganun kalapit yung seat namin dun sa Ateneo bench. And gets ko yung frustration niya. When you needed a three, last second, 1.4. Why not try Kyle Gamber? Laddie had no
Yeah,
legs anymore. He
yeah.
attempted, again, we love Kai. We love Kai. Pero at this point, kasi alam mo, wala na siyang legs. Ba't siya yung magtitira ng ano? Last shot, why not get a magic bonus? Try like a Kyle Gamber. He'll never know, di ba? Well, yun yung
Malamig
mga
kasi off
frustration.
the bench eh. Yun yung risk eh.
Still, I mean,
That's no, the point is he shouldn't be malamig.
Bagay, yeah, you're
Yan
right.
yung
yeah,
point. Yan yung point doon. He shouldn't be malamig.
you should be ready.
Do you ano, my point isn't that he shouldn't be ready, is that he should be ready. The point is that he should be playing.
Yeah, yun din. Yun yung main point mo. But yeah, I'm in that Kyle Gamber train na he should be playing. So, bigyan mo 10-15 minutes.
Yeah. Because
10?
guys,
Kahit 10 nga ano eh.
I know that
Konti-konti.
these, alam niyo yung mga one and done. Alam kong one and done sila, so sinusulit natin yung bayad sa kanila. Pero grabe naman yung pag nagsusulit. Grabe naman yung sulit na yun, man. They're barely resting. And I was low-key confused, if I'm being honest, with some of the decisions in the overtime last night. Taking out Bahay for Ayan, although probably the shoulder was an
Yeah,
issue.
yeah.
Taking out um I think they took out Dom for Bongo,
Yeah. Lazaro
which
din
was
from time to time, diba? Si Josh played 30 minutes. He was ano eh,
yeah, but
our
that's because
big
again, that's
talaga.
because they
Bro, alam mo, speaking of scheduling, this the ano eh, parang the rematch in round 2. I think this should be done. I understand it will draw the crowd, dapat Araneta or MOA, but this should be done in UST Pav. To be fair.
Parang they don't feel it as much, no? Pag Ateneo USD, they really don't feel the arena as much compared to Blue Eagle. Or dahil mas maliit ang Blue Eagle, kaya parang mas na-highlight yung ano.
Sa tingin ko kasi medyo puno siya kahapon sa Beg kasi first time in Beg in
Sa
almost
Okay,
Inbeg. Yeah.
in a
okay.
very long
It's
time.
a
I think that's why
inaugural,
Yeah.
parang, okay.
yeah, I
You're
think
actually
after a
right.
while it will kind of simmer down naman. So for those who are hoping to watch a game in Beg, pwede kayo nakakuha ng ticket kasi sobrang mahal na grabe yung tig to 2.5 na patron seat. Thank God for press passes.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Um if you're worried about that, sooner rather than later naman, I think it will kind of simmer down. Kasi yun nga, medyo opening day lang talaga kahapon. And
Yeah.
it will simmer down sooner rather than later. And probably in like the lighter matchups, or the earlier matchups, it'll be better naman for those who want to watch.
And you're not losing even if hindi mo siya mapanood live because, you know, I've said this. This is side topic, man. Miko Halili is the reason I got into sports broadcasting something, man. He's the goat for me in terms of doing this. He's entertaining. Uh, I'm just saying. Whenever I see that guy wanna to ask for a selfie, pero nahihiya lang ako. But he's really my idol. Another thing, man. This is I want you to think about this very carefully. If Colin Sakowe gets Jaden Lazo's 3-point shot, he's the best player
Oh,
to ever
it's not
step
gonna
foot in the
happen.
Philippines.
It's
I
not
just
gonna
say
happen.
What
God
is that,
dang.
dude?
What?
What is
That's not
that?
gonna
What
happen. Come
is
on,
that,
man.
man? That's like saying that's like saying if Kaimani Ladi gained 30 pounds and turned into Giannis but kept his jump shot. What are we doing, dude? What are we doing? I don't have the
I
time
just
today, Graham.
I just woke up.
What
I
are we
I
doing,
I
dude?
know I know I'm gonna get you, bro. But
Oh my God,
if
man.
Colin Sakowe gets Jaden Lazo shooting, man, it's
Oh,
over for the league.
oh my God, dude. I'm not even gonna. Oh, that's
This guy's
insane. Yeah,
smoking.
if Gani Stevens gained the shooting of Steph Curry, he's gonna become the next best player in the UAE or in the Philippines, man. Like,
Oh my God.
what are we doing?
I always got you.
What the,
Always got you,
man,
man.
that's
But
just,
good job, man. One more. I mean, we always look forward to the games, but one more. No, the LSU UP next week. Actually, the LSU
Yes.
NU later is low key.
It's also good.
Is
well,
it
this is
good,
good.
Mario?
That's not even low key good. That's okay.
It's
That is
good.
good. Yeah, it's yeah.
Yeah,
I mean like from yesterday. I mean, 'di ba? It's good, pero grabe naman yung kasi yesterday. Iconic
It's
iconic
hard to
finish,
top.
iconic
Yeah, it's hard to
a
top that.
triple
Yung ano,
overtime. Yeah.
yeah.
ta-
Just to
Okay.
just to
Uh,
the end. Just to the end the UE game because we watched it also. I don't know what was happening in Adamson in versus UE. That was the most confusing game in a
they were up
while.
20, 'di ba? They were up 20,
Tapos,
right?
Adamson leads by 20, loses the
Nahabol
lead,
sila.
and then wins by 15 or something.
My
sabi ko,
God.
what?
What was that? 'Di ba?
Just so
I was
confusing.
sitting na gano'n sabi ko, "Ano pinapanood ko?" Ano?
I was so confused by what
You should
Alam mo
see
happened.
yung
Coach
parang
Nash's
ano,
face like, "What?" Nung
bro,
nahabol
it's like,
sila.
it's a fever dream game eh. Parang napanaginipan mo lang. Parang
Was
totoo ba
mostly a
yun? Nangyari
fever
ba talaga
game,
yun?
not a dream.
tapos,
Yeah. That's
tapos,
a fever-inducing
That's a
game.
fever-inducing game, fever
Fever-inducing
dream.
game. That's a fever-inducing game.
Fever-induce. Pala minute yung
Davis,
body temp ko lang.
Magkakasakit ka talaga after
bro,
nun.
alam mo yung cliche na
Had to
ano,
buy water
basketball,
after.
alam mo yung cliche, basketball is a game of runs. Grabe naman extreme naman yung ano na, yung pag-represent nila nung cliche na yun. The
Yun
up
ang Game of
20
Thrones.
led by 1 and then
Yun talaga.
won by 15. What?
Gusto mo ba ng Game of Thrones? Ako bahala sa'yo.
Game.
Sa'yo bahala.
Coach Chris and
Literally
Coach Nash, we got you.
complete shutdown eh, no? Shutdown la U, shutdown sila ng U, and then they won by 15. I can't believe it. I was looking at the odds nung game. There was one point na ano, um because here's the thing, pag wala akong signal, pag mahina yung signal, tumitingin ako dun sa odds kasi nandun yung score eh, di ba? So makikita mo yung
That's fine,
real-time
that's fine,
score.
that's fine.
Yeah, nakita ko there's one point halos tabla na yung odds ng Adamson and UE. So, you know, I'm just saying, man, that game was crazy.
Yeah. But dude, again, I love ending this podcast by saying this. This is an insane season, dude. This is an
I know.
absolutely insane
I know.
season. Parang there are just some you just can't miss a game, although you can miss some. You
You
just
can miss
can't
some.
miss
I can name
although
some.
yeah, but you just can't miss some games talaga na like nothing is guaranteed talaga this season. I really nobody knows who's gonna win the championship this season if you ask me talaga.
That is right. Yeah, you're right.
Also,
This is one of
before
those
we end,
seasons.
yeah, go Graham.
No. I was just about to piggyback na. This is one of those seasons na 5 teams can legitimately win the championship. 4 if we're being
4.
nitpicky.
4.
But 5 if we look at the standings.
4.
All right. You don't
4
think
lang.
UP can win the championship?
Ngayon lang
I'm not
nakita by the way ng
I'm not talking about you.
118 field goal attempts in a game. Shout out to the Ateneo Blue Eagles with USD 96. 118 field goal attempts.
Okay lang. Binawi naman ng referees yun sa free throws. Okay. Thanks
Oh, all right.
Thanks for watching.
Follow 5-star rate to
Yeah.
Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you guys next time. Nico, Mario, and Graham here.
Adios, amigos.